Hi everyone! Welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to switch to Bybit Lite Mode using your mobile device. Bybit Lite is a simplified version of the app designed for beginners who want a smoother and faster trading experience without advanced charts and tools. If you are new to Bybit or just want a clean interface, this guide is for you. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you're logged in from the home page, you will be able to see the Lite and the Pro option at the top of the screen. Select Lite from the top left, and then you'll be able to switch to the Lite version of Bybit application. You will now see the Bybit Lite layout, which is much cleaner and beginner-friendly. You've successfully switched to Bybit Lite mode in just a few simple steps. This mode is perfect if you are new to crypto trading and just want a quick, hassle-free experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on the notifications so you won't miss any future guides. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.